Hi everyone, are you okay? Okay, so we are going to do some measuring today. Do you remember we did some measuring last week? And we put 3 things in order, didn't we? From longest to shortest. And we used the smartest cube. We used this box. We used anything that we could find around the house. And I saw some really good pictures from you guys that you've been doing the same. So well done. Now this week, I thought we'd move on a little bit. So if you still want to do lots of practicing of ordering 3 things, that's absolutely fine. You can find 3 things around your house and do the one that's longest, shorter, shortest. Let's have a quick practice at that now. Okay, just to remind you. So let's have, we'll use that puzzle again, the Peppa Pig puzzle. And the smartest cube. Which one is the shortest? Remember, listen, which one is the shortest? Well done, the smartest cube. The box is the longest and the smartest cube is the shortest. Now, if I add a little cube as well, okay, which one is the shortest now? Is it still the smartest cube? Pop it there. That's right, it's the cube, isn't it? So we've got longest, shorter, shortest. Fantastic. So if you want to have another practice at that, that would be great, and send us some more pictures. Okay. If you were doing that really easily and you're really good at that and you've practiced that all week, let's move on to the next way of measuring. So I've got some little cubes, okay, and they're all the same size. Now, you might not have cubes at home, but you will have something that you could use. You could use pieces of pasta. You could use any sort of toy as long as they're all the same size, okay? It needs to be something that's all the same size. So I thought we would measure this box and see how many cubes long it is. So we have to put as many cubes, like that, as we can, as many as fit. So we need to measure them using cubes. So you see we're about halfway. We'll keep going and popping the cubes on until we get all the way to the end of the box. So they are the same. So we make it the same amount. So we know that the puzzle, the Peppa puzzle, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cubes long. That is really long. Do you know what? I'm going to write that down, otherwise I'll just forget. So it's the Peppa puzzle. So we'll put Peppa. All right. Peppa. And it was how many? 15. So we've got 1 10 and 5 ones. 15. 15 cubes long. Now, see if you can have an estimate. Okay, can you guess, have an estimate? How many cubes long do you think the smartest cube will be? How many cubes long? Some people think 6, 4, 10. Do you think it will be more than 15 or less? Well done, it will be less because the smartest cube is shorter, isn't it? So let me take all those from there. So the Peppa box was 15. Let's see how many the smartest cube is. 1, 2, 3, 4, count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we think we can fit another one on there? Oh, it's a bit longer. 9. So they are the same. We've measured them to be the same length. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let me write that down here. Smarties. Smarties, and it was, well done, 9 cubes long. Okay, let's do one more. Let me find one. Let's measure. Oh, let's use that fruit shoot again. That's really bad for your teeth. The fruit shoot, do you think it will be more than 9 cubes or less? Well done, it will be less because it's shorter than the Smarties cube. Have an estimate, how many do you think? Oh, you think 4. Let's see. Okay, count with me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's write that down. Fruit shoot. Fruit shoot was 6. 6 cubes long. Okay, so what I want you to do now is to go and have a turn yourselves. Okay, so as I say, you might not have any cubes, but you could use pieces of pasta, or you could even use pens. Look, if I use some pens, as long as they're the same, as long as you've got something that's the same length, you can fit them on there. See how many pens long it is. I think you could fit maybe another one on there. Okay, and then have a go at recording it down. Just record it on some paper, okay, if you want, and then you can try and write the number as well. Okay, but we'd love to see pictures of you using things to measure with, and I'd love to see what you use to measure. If you haven't got anything at all, find some paper and cut it up to be the same size, and you can use little squares of paper, so you can make some little paper squares. That'd be a good idea. Okay, post us the pictures on Dojo. We can't wait to see them. Bye-bye, everyone.